and Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnav today in Parliament spoke about the laws to check vulgar content on social media. He was replying to a question asked by Lok Sabha member Arun Govil during question hour regarding laws to check abusive content. Amid massive din in the Lok Sabha, the minister said that the Parliamentary Standing Committee should take up the issue. He also called for a consensus to frame more strict laws in this regard.
माननीय सांसद महोदय ने बहुत महत्वपूर्ण विषय उठाया है। जिन ज्योग्राफी से, जिन कंट्रीज से सोशल मीडिया के ये प्लेटफॉर्म्स निकले हैं, वहाँ की सेंसिटिविटी और अपने देश की सेंसिटिविटी में बहुत बड़ा फर्क है। और ये इस तरह का डिबेट आज दुनिया के करीब हर देश में, इसीलिए मेरा निवेदन है माननीय अध्यक्ष जी कि जो अपनी पार्लियामेंट की स्टैंडिंग कमेटी है वो भी इस विषय को उठाए और इस विषय पे समाज में कंसेंसस हो और इसमें और कड़े कानून बने।
All right, so that was the IT minister, and both houses of parliament have been adjourned due to ruckus. But let's go across to Vasudha for more on this story. Vasudha, give us more details about this entire matter that was taken up by the IT minister, and what happens now. This will be now looked at closely by a standing committee.
Absolutely, Gargi. The IT Minister, Ashwini Vaishnav, who's also the INB Minister, has given some very important indications, and that is, he has said that the standing committee, the Parliamentary Standing Committee, should be in fact looking at this, which means that it could actually follow the path of something like the Personal Data Protection Act, which also saw years of deliberation, several committees, and finally, the draft is ready and it's going to get notified soon. So clearly, that is some big indication. Let me tell you what the Minister said today. The Minister said that the video streaming platforms come from countries in the West whose cultural context is not aligned with the socio-cultural ethos of India, which is why, there is, of course, vulgar content, there's obscene content. He also said that, the Parliamentary Standing Committee should actually examine the existing laws. Remember that there is the 2021 IT laws, and then there's also the IT Act of 2000. So there are multiple laws which actually govern, in some sense, which govern the content that comes on, into video streaming platforms. But at the same time, they have also been, at least the IT rules have been challenged by several stakeholders in the court, and that actually gives you a three-level grievance redressal mechanism. The IT Act is also in place. Ashwini Vaishnav said that the Parliamentary Standing Committee needs to not just build consensus, but also needs to examine if there is a need to make these existing laws more stringent. Remember, he is also the person who also brought the Personal Data Protection law. He made that into a reality, and that happened after several deliberations. And with regard to OTT content, the Indian government, there have been many voices in that regard. Even Mohan Bhagwat spoke about this recently. He also said that there's a lot of obscene, vulgar content which has been inappropriate for Indian children and specifically the youth of India. So there has been voices from the Sangh Parivar that this is not good for India, but they've also been citing examples of countries like Singapore and Australia that the content needs to be aligned with Indian ethos. But we have to wait and see if streaming platforms actually get something like a pre-certification board, which already exists in the realm of films in the form of Central Board for Certification of Films, or known as CBFC. But then that would also mean that the democratic nature of OTT also gets impacted. So this is, of course, the old debate of freedom, absolute freedom versus freedom with reasonable restrictions, something that has always played out in public. It's a huge debate, and it's good that, the minister has intervened and he said that the standing committee needs to debate this, which means that it is going to be deliberated. The government also, the INB ministry in March this year also blocked around 18 apps on 18 OTT apps which had extremely vulgar, obscene content. So clearly this is in line with the ministry's position that OTT content in India needs to be aligned not just with Indian laws, but also the Indian socio-cultural context.
All right, Vasudha, thanks so much for joining us with those details.